sustainable project, which is mainly focusing on a system called Smart Waste Management System in Faisalabad, which is my basic city. And there are a lot of problems of pollution in my city. Mainly, there are a lot of it's a hub of textile industry in Pakistan, and the main other the other reason of pollution in my city is waste. Improper management of waste. So my project is basically will mainly focus on the smart waste management system. Its name is also smart waste management system. So the project is all about managing waste in a smarter and greener way. It will help reduce the amount of trash going to landfills and cuts down the pollution, which is a basic problem. So we will use modern technology uh, to manage our city's waste. The system will use smart bins powered by a solar energy, uh, uh, and we will use technology to effectively manage the and with less cost we will use these bins, and will manage our waste. So these bins will have sensors that will track how much fill they are, and when a bin is full, it will send a message to the organization or to the uh, management, the collection team. So they only collect bins when needed. So this will save fuel as well, and time and cost. So the main introduction, project leader practice sustainability by creating deliverables today without using resources that future users would need. So our project, the smart waste management system, will works to decrease waste going to landfills and decrease carbon pollution by handling all waste in a good way. So the project will be operating according to the ESF standards. So which will be the environmental defense with social advantages and financial durability. So the project will work like, we will have bins. And there are different type of bin for the plastics, and for organic things, and for and organic things, and other glass for glass. So when the bin in the system, in the bin, the technology, when it will detect that the bins are full, so we will use AI, which will real time, which will be track the bins in a real time. So this will also will efficiently gives the message to the authority that the bins are full. So that the so first of all, consumer will dispose the garbage into smart bins. So it will send the message, the data will be and will analyze and send the message to the authorities. So authorities will be informed. So the nearby truck will go and will pick up the trash. So in this way, the recycle we can recycle in an easy way these things in an easy way. So we can generate income from these, if we use these with these things and recycle these things. So it will be very beneficial in a future. So, so our stakeholders in our task, so we will it will include the project's initiation. So it will the duration will be 50 days. So it will start at 1st of May to and will finish at Wednesday 9/7/5. So it cost will be 30 lakhs and 90,000. So it's a subtask will be a define project. Uh, so the duration will be 20 days. So it will start from 1st to 28th. So the resource will be which fall in this task will be a project manager. So its course is given, and then identify key stakeholders in Faisalabad. So it will be a main task to identify all the stakeholders that will be involved in our project. So this work will take 20 days. So in this work we will need cost, a much cost, but it help our city, and with the passage of time, and to our country, to manage the waste in a proper way. So we can recycle these things, and it will also clean and green our city. So the next subtask is get project approval and initial funding. So project approval will be also a main task for us. So it will take 10 days. So the finance officer will be deal with these things. So another stakeholder engagement will take 50 days. So the cost will be 26 lakh 77,000. So in the subtasks will be engaged with community representatives. It will take 25 days, and the coordination with the recycling and waste management firms of our city. So it will take 25 days as well. So the other task is identify smart bin placement locations. It might take more than 15 days, but we are assuming that will take 15 days because it's the third last largest city of our country. So the resource will be urban planner, and the next task is plan and optimize vehicle routes using AI tools. Obviously, we will use AI tools to automatically detect where is the need to collect the waste. So it will take 30 days, and AI analyst. Obviously, our best technical IT guy will be there. So, and the other task is conduct site readiness inspections. It will take 30 days. So technology and integration, because we are bringing a new project, so which is totally based on technology. So it will take more days, rather than other tasks. So it will take 90 days. So a cost will be needed of 47 plus lakhs. So first of all, we will install IoT sensor in smart bins. It will take 25 days, from 31st 10 25 to 04 12 25. And the other task will be test system connectivity and sensor data flow. It will take 35 days. So the public awareness message is the main thing, because if the public will cooperate with us, and the government and the local authorities will cooperate with us, then we can do our work in a proper way. So we will do meetings, and the other we will visit them, and to convey our message, and then the other things will happen with the passage of time. So that another organized final community orientation events, it will take 40 days because it's a big city. It's a third largest city, so we'll distribute educational materials in local areas. So this will also take a time. We will also do uh, uh, we will do through from social media. We will do our publicity from social media as well. So the resources will be the project manager. Which type will be work. So his contribution will be 100%. And the other will be outreach lead. So it will his total cost will be 1,30,000. And the other community liaison, partnership leads, and urban planners, AI analysts, and the field inspector, tech installer, data engineers will work with us, and QA specialist. We will have all the all the best guys in our team, in our IT team. So we can complete our AI material or our IT technological work very smoothly. And event coordinators will work with also with work with us, and the commercial officers and the security auditors will also work with us. So legal advisors, policy writers, all these people with work with us for the successful completion of the project. So life cycle analysis. The supplies come from recycled materials, plus the project makes bags that integrate falls and power the bins through solar energy. I explained already. The production methodology works with low energy technology, produce small amount of waste to protect the planet. Smart sensors help waste collection run better by controlling fuel usage. If you're controlling fuel usage in such a way that it will detect the or send the message to the nearby truck that will collect to collect the waste. So in this way, they can save fuel and time as well. So participants can recycle the entire smart waste bin after use to help protect the environment. So our stakeholders will be government agencies, environmental NGOs, financial backers, and local residents, which is those who are main stakeholders who affect how stakeholders who affect how regulation development, how well this technology gets accepted. The organization works with stakeholders who regular or we will do regular meetings and talks with the neighbors, and we will organize a public events twice in a year. So the whole program requires 4,70,000 of funds, which are divided in two parts. Initially, we will need money, and we can't make enough profit. Because we have to start from beginning everything. So with the passage of time, so our goal is we will create 3 million plus in the next 6 years. uh, so to 2025, it will be minus 47,500. In 26, it will be 64,350. In 2027, it will be 1,70,910, and 2000 it will increase every year, and it will be successful. So the supplier system places high importance on selecting suppliers who sustainability operate and buy materials in responsible ways while reducing environmental effects. Supplier needs to meet ISO 14001 environmental requirements when showing progress towards their goal of making their production methods greener and cleaner. So we will use those suppliers who meets the ISO standards, and their main objective is to the clean and green in a way that they will work with us. So procurement and contracting strategy. So we will contract the suppliers through proposals, and we will assess that who are the suppliers which are more equal likely. That those who will work with us to help with us to make our environmental goals. So we will assess the supply using quality standards plus pricing terms in evaluation process, which leads to contract. We will do a contract with suppliers as well. So that there are as well in this case. The main project is public funding limits and the problems meeting official standards. The project faces the main type of risks, which include social problems. So there will be a social problems with some of people will not accept our idea, our project, but with the passage of time, we can convince them. We can do meetings, and we can do their brainstormings. We can motivate them. So the main project, the positive thing in this project is it affects to the environment, such as it will create less pollution waste and waste reduction along with higher recycling rates. People gain healthier lives while living in cleaner cities. As I was living in my city, and I will live there. But so I it's my dream, or it's my mission to clean my country, my city. Smart waste management system creates work opportunities and reduce operating costs while helping cities generate profit from recycled substances plus data services as well. So, in conclusion, the smart waste management system supports ESF principles by making waste handling better for the environmental while helping everyone and keeping the cost manageable. So in our recent time, the main problem the people are facing is pollution. So it will damage our health and everything. It will damage our cities. So this project will help will help a lot in this matter. We can our goal is to go is to make our country eco-friendly and pollution free. So our project will help in this to make these things. So it will remain much financially stable in the long run due to multiple income sources, efficient operations, and joint partnerships between governments and private companies as well. So thank you so much.